West of marker 14 on the Dow Woods trail is a standing trunk of an old dead tree, and these are called snags. This one is a former cedar elm. Snags are dead trees that are still standing and decomposing naturally. It is hard to believe, but snags can provide more habitats for wildlife than when the tree was alive. Just like snags, live trees with hollow trunks, cavities, and dead branches can also provide similar habitat. Snags may attract wildlife species not otherwise found in an area. Birds, small mammals, insects, and other wildlife use snags for nests, nurseries, storage, roosting, or perching. In our area, birds which nest in snags include bluebirds, chickadees, woodpeckers, wood ducks, and owls. A lady wood duck might say,
"I sure like snags, which are hollow, 'cause they give me a good place to lay my eggs."
Mrs. Pileated Woodpecker might say,
"A dead tree has a trunk with soft rotting wood, which my husband can carve into a nesting place, and I like to eat insects hiding in the cracks."
In open areas near water, ospreys and bald eagles like to perch and make their nests on the branches of snags. Other raptors like owls and hawks also like to perch and look for their prey from snags. Small animals such as squirrels, raccoons, bats, and ring-tailed cats also use hollow cavities for shelter and nests. Lizards of all kinds live in the cracks and underneath the peeling bark. Like green anoles, Mr. Raccoon might say,
"I especially like the hackberry or cedar elm trees since they often have cavities which I can crawl into and make my nice dry home."
The smallest branches and limbs on a snag often rot first and fall to the ground underneath. This creates habitat for ground-dwelling insects and reptiles. Please be careful around fallen logs and limbs, since it can be home to timber rattlesnakes or copperheads. Mr. Timber Rattlesnake might say,
"I sure like these logs where I can hide and find food, and in the winter I can hibernate underneath."
A snag also can provide host spots for fungi, moss, and lichens, helping to find nitrogen from the air which fertilizes the surrounding area for living trees. So you can see that snags are very valuable in nature. They provide places to live, hide, or roost for animals, while also providing nourishment for living plants.